Hey guys, Mark here. I'm in this little field just right outside town. It's probably a 5-minute walk here. Just found this. We'll bust up archaic point. I got this sticking out. Oh, feels good. Ground is hard though. It's archaic too. It's beveled like crazy. So bright and sunny out here, I can't hardly see this. Well, it's a little beat up, but it's something. Alright, hopefully I'll be back. Different day, different field. Got something down here, might just be a flake, but it looks like it has a medium ridge on it. Well, that looks like a piece of a tool. Alright. Hopefully I'll be back. Hey everyone. Back to clean up. This killer flake blade. The collars and that thing. Beautiful flint ridge. Couple heartbreakers. A scraper deal. This, I don't know. Almost looks like a paleo base, but I doubt it. This turned out to be a whole little tool. You can see that's the rind there where I thought it was broke. Weird little thing. Another heartbreaker, little base. There's that. Well, it was a bifurcated serrated point. Big old honker of a tool broke. Big old scraper. That's broke too. This little point. It's got some dings. There's that bevel. This camera sucks, but that almost has an E-notch in it. Pretty interesting little thing. Of course, some of them round stones. I just want to see if anybody know about this thing. Of course, it's tiny, but it's made just like a dovetail. There's ground. Smooth as could be. Of course, it's busted. Beautiful colors of it. Flint Ridge. But I've never seen a dovetail that small, so if anybody has any ideas, I sure would like to know. Alright. Later.